Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Daily. Today, we learn how to cook pasta. Let's cook together and practice easy English step by step. I have a day off today, so I am going to stay home and relax. I am so hungry. What should I eat? Instead of going out, I am going to make some Italian pasta at home. Let's cook together! Firstly, I fill a large pot with water. Add a spoonful of salt to the boiling water for a better taste. There we go. Perfect! Put the dry pasta into the pot and stir gently so it does not stick together. Cook the pasta for about 9 minutes until it is soft but still a bit firm. Save a small cup of pasta water before you turn off the stove. This will make the sauce silky. Drain the pasta in a colander, but remember not to rinse it with cold water. I wash the tomatoes. I dice the tomatoes, chopping them into small pieces. Almost done. I mince the garlic. Heat some olive oil or butter in a frying pan and cook the chopped garlic. First, add the olive oil. Now, add the chopped garlic. Pour your favorite tomato or cream sauce into the pan and warm it up. Add some pieces of meat, chicken, or vegetables and cook them well. Put the dry pasta into the pot and stir gently so it does not stick together. Cook the pasta for about 9 minutes until it is soft but still a bit firm. Move the pasta to a nice plate, put some cheese on top, and serve it hot. And it's ready to enjoy. It smells so good. My mouth is watering! It tastes absolutely amazing. I hope you learned new English words and enjoyed cooking with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing English every day with Easy English Daily. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.